Audio Jungle.
Hello, my name is Sunny Burns. I'm from Australia. Today I'm going to speak about a product I ordered from thaitrade.com SOOK. This is the first time I've actually ordered a product from this website. So let's open it and have a look. This is actually the first time that I've ordered this product before. My friend recommended me to use the thaitrade.com SOOK website. I was looking for a product that has all the vegetables that I need because in my daily life, I find it hard to eat enough vegetables. Let's open it up and have a look. So inside, there's actually 30 satchels. So it'll probably last you about a month. And let's open up and see what's inside. So let's see what's inside the satchel. Wow, there's actually 5 tablets inside here. In this product, there's actually 12 vegetables from pumpkin, celery, beetroot, carrot, cherry tomatoes. Wow, there is a lot of vegetables in these 5 tablets. So this will help me make sure that I get enough vegetables on a daily basis. And another thing at thaitrade.com SOOK is they have 24-hour customer service. It was really handy to use. Overall, I'll give the product a 5 out of 5. I'm really happy with the packaging and with the product itself. It's exactly what I'm looking for. In terms of using the website, thaitrade.com SOOK, I'll give it a 4.9 out of 5. I spent a lot of time browsing the products. Overall, I'm really happy with using thaitrade.com SOOK, and I'm really thankful for my friend recommending me to use this. All right, I'm going to use this product now. Bye.